Yo you guys, it's Badger here, and today we're gonna have a look at these two little charms I found. They are kinda inspired by Pandora. I found them on Aliexpress, and they're both like little avocados. One is a charm, one is a bead, and I thought I would share them with you guys and have a look how they look like, how they're made, and stuff. So let's get started. Here we are with the first one. That's the charm. It's an avocado. It's missing the inside on one side. Obviously, on the other way there is the stone, and then yeah, it has nice texture as well. Don't know if you can actually see that. Yeah, and I gotta say for $2, definitely really cute charm. The top part is pretty straightforward as well. Got some little green stones in there as well. And all in all, pretty much a decent piece here. Let's put that to the side and have a look at the bead. That has a little different approach here, to be honest. It has a little face on the avocado, first off the back, less texture than the charm for sure. Has little eyes and cheeks, looks really cute, and the stone is in the shape of a heart. I'm not sure if you can actually tell though, but yeah, gotta say it looks really nice. It's good made. The hole here is big enough to fit on your bead bracelet from Pandora basically, and yeah, I think that's a really cute bead. It's also $2, which is a pretty fair price, I would say, and there's like no sharp edges or anything, and yeah, I don't know. You can put them both on one bead bracelet if that's something you're interested. There's no branding on here, keep that in mind, but yeah, that's what they would look like side by side. Um, I think they are pretty cute, and definitely um, more than I expected, to be honest here. I mean, I ordered them, I don't know what I expected, but I think they look pretty decent, or more than decent basically. So I think we call it a day. So you take care. Until the next time, my name is Badger, I'm out, and check them out yourself. Until the next time, bye bye.